You are in for a surprise if you're looking for a chicken recipe that is easy and simple to make, because today I'll be showing you how to make the juiciest and the most delicious barbecue chicken recipe ever. The ingredients are going to be very simple, and the best part about this recipe is that we are going to be grilling the chicken in the oven. But if you have time, you can grill the chicken outside and still it's going to turn out very delicious. So check all the ingredients listed in the description box and let's make this delicious barbecue chicken recipe. To make this delicious, mouth-watering, oven-grilled barbecue chicken, you'll need a whole chicken or two. But for this recipe, I'm going to be using one chicken because the recipe is for about 3 to 4 people. So also you'll need to prep up some vegetables to accompany your chicken. So over here I have some corn, potatoes, carrots and zucchini, which I'm going to be also roasting together with the chicken. So you'll start off by washing your chicken, making sure it's nice and clean. Then you're going to use a sharp knife and remove the neck. Then using a knife or a kitchen scissors, you're going to be removing the backbone of the chicken so that you can butterfly the chicken. So I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So I'll be using a kitchen scissors, which is going to help me cut my chicken very easily. Here's my backbone, so I'm going to transfer to a bowl. And please don't throw away the chicken neck and backbone, because you can make some chicken stock with the backbone and neck. So I'm going to keep aside, and then I'm going to flip my chicken just like this. And using the lower palm of your hands, you're going to press on the chicken breast. The chicken is going to snap, and then the chicken is going to be flat. Just like that. When you butterfly your chicken, it's going to evenly grill while in the oven, and also it's going to take a shorter while to cook, and the chicken is going to remain very juicy and tender. So I'm going to transfer my chicken to a bowl. I'm going to be adding in 4 spices, that is paprika, garlic powder, black pepper and ginger, ground ginger. Add in a tablespoon of cooking oil, salt, massage in all the spices on the chicken, making sure every part is coated with the wonderful mild spices. Paprika is going to add in a very nice color to the chicken, while the garlic powder, ground ginger and black pepper are going to add in a very nice flavor to our chicken. Once you're done, you're going to be marinating the chicken for at least 15 to 20 minutes before transferring your chicken to the baking tray so that you can bake. The spices are going to seep into the chicken, making the chicken very delicious. So I'm going to keep my chicken aside. Pick the bowl with my veggies, and then I'm going to be adding in 1 spices, which is a combination of several spices. So this is a tablespoon of peri peri seasoning, which is going to add in a very nice flavor to our veggies. Add in salt. And 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil. Massage in the peri peri seasoning into the vegetables, and the oil is going to make it very easy for you to coat the veggies with the lovely spice. Once all the vegetables are coated with the peri peri seasoning, you are also going to let this sit for around 5 minutes. It's been around 15 minutes for my chicken. So now I'm going to let this sit for around 5 minutes. You can even add in more vegetables to your veggies. That is maybe broccoli, some cauliflower, and they are going to bake together with the chicken and turn out very delicious. When your chicken is done marinating, you're going to be preheating your oven at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 Fahrenheit. And then you're going to pick your baking tray. I have mine over here. Transfer all the ingredients in, ready for grilling. So I'm going to start with my chicken over here. This is going to turn out very delicious, I can tell. You're going to lay your chicken on the baking tray, and then you're going to tuck in your chicken wings. Then you're going to transfer the veggies in. When done transferring everything on the baking tray, you're going to be baking the chicken together with the vegetables at 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit for around 40 minutes. Then you're going to remove the chicken and baste with some barbecue sauce, which you're going to be making right now. How do we make homemade barbecue sauce? That is the question. So you'll need some yellow mustard, ketchup, sugar, honey, some black pepper and salt, some white vinegar. You can also use apple cider vinegar, and some Worcestershire sauce, which is going to add in a very nice taste to our barbecue sauce. In a small saucepan over medium-low flame, you're going to add in all your ingredients in the saucepan. That is ketchup, sugar, a tablespoon of white vinegar, 4 dashes of Worcestershire sauce, salt, black pepper, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Using a wooden spatula, you're going to stir in everything until fully combined, and then you're going to let this cook for around a minute so that all the lovely flavors can absorb, making some delicious barbecue sauce. Stir as the barbecue sauce is cooking, and the white vinegar and barbecue sauce are going to add in a tangy flavor to the barbecue sauce, and the sugar and honey are going to add in some sweetness. So the barbecue sauce is going to be sweet and tangy, which is going to be very delicious once you baste the chicken with the delicious homemade barbecue sauce. If you notice that your barbecue sauce is runny, let it cook for another 1 minute so that it can reduce and thicken up, so that we can spread or baste our chicken with the barbecue sauce. If you're going to be doubling the ingredients listed in the description box to make more barbecue sauce, you can keep the barbecue sauce once it's cooled in an airtight container and store it in the fridge up to 2 weeks. The best thing about having some barbecue sauce in your fridge is that you can baste some chicken, lamb chops, some mutton with the barbecue sauce, and it's going to be very delicious. When done, you're going to put out the flames and just check out my barbecue sauce. It's looking delish. This is after 40 minutes. Wow, my chicken is looking mouth-watering. So now it's time to baste our chicken with our delicious barbecue sauce, which is homemade. So using a kitchen brush, I'm going to spread the barbecue sauce on the chicken, and trust me, it's going to turn out very delicious. I'm excited for this one. I'm always excited when it comes to chicken recipes because I love chicken. The barbecue sauce is still warm, So I'm going to baste my chicken. Make sure to coat every part of the chicken with the delicious barbecue sauce. And then you're going to be returning the chicken for another 10 minutes so that the barbecue sauce can seep into the chicken. And before you place in your chicken in the oven, back in the oven, you're going to sprinkle some salt on the veggies. This is to make sure that they are well seasoned. The veggies also look very delicious. So once done, I'm going to be baking for another 10 minutes. Baste once more, return in the oven for 10 minutes. My barbecue chicken is ready and it's looking absolutely mouth-watering. I love that the barbecue sauce has added in a nice flavor to the chicken. Also, the chicken is cooked to perfection and it's super tender and juicy. The vegetables are well cooked as well, and yeah, I'm just ready to dig in. So I'm going to transfer, or I'm going to be plating my chicken to show you how delicious it looks. So using a big spatula, which is going to help me lift my chicken, I'm going to transfer to my plate. Wow, just look how gorgeous my barbecue chicken is looking. Scoop out my veggies. Absolutely delicious. My chicken is ready and it's looking very delicious. I love how the vegetables also are looking. They are well cooked and the potatoes are tender and they've soaked in all those chicken juices, making the vegetables very delicious. The barbecue chicken is juicy, it's tender and coated with our delicious homemade barbecue sauce that is worth trying. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you will be trying out this easy lunch or dinner idea that you can make in a matter of an hour. And all you have to do is place the chicken in the oven, relax, and enjoy once the chicken is done.